Welcome, it's 10 Frame Tile Tuesday at KP Mathematics. Today we continue our series, 10 Frame Tiles and Base 10 Blocks, the 10 frame makes the difference, by addressing the fact that place value becomes evident when the count reaches 10. The Base 10 system is a place value system. It uses place value and 10 digits to describe any number, no matter how large or how small. Only one digit is allowed in each place. Using place value maths and manipulatives helps students see what happens with digits when the count reaches 10. Starting with 0, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've used all the digits. How can we keep counting? So that counting can continue in the ones place, a new place is created for tens. This allows for a place value exchange. The 10 ones will move to the tens place as 110. How do base 10 blocks make the place value exchange? Even though the 10 blocks in the ones place cannot magically become one block of 10 as we would like, students can trade them for one rod, a block that looks like and is equivalent to 10 one blocks. Students discard the one blocks they counted, place a rod in the tens place, and record a 0 in the ones place and a 1 in the tens place. Now counting can continue in the ones place. Note that the 10 ones that students counted are not part of the existing count of 10 in the tens place. They have been replaced with a rod. Next, let's see how 10 frame tiles handle the same task. A full 10 frame is the signal to make a place value exchange. So students cover the 10 ones with a yellow tile and move it to the tens place as 110. They record a 0 in the ones place and a 1 in the tens place. Now counting can continue in the ones place. Note that the 10 ones that were counted still exist. They have merely been renamed as 110. The most critical difference between base 10 blocks and 10 frame tiles is attributable to the 10 frame. 10 frame tiles is a groupable manipulative. Tiles on 10 frames can be grouped for place value exchanges. Base 10 blocks, on the other hand, are a pre-grouped manipulative. Their components cannot be grouped for place value exchanges. They can only be traded. When students use the 10 frame as a structure for grouping, they come close to accomplishing the automaticity that occurs with numbers at the count of 10. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At the count of 10, 1 appears in the tens place and 0 appears in the ones place. Now the counting can continue. The manipulative that children use makes a difference in what and how they learn. 10 frame tiles allow children to replicate base 10's grouping action. With base 10 blocks, however, children must trade components, an action that falsifies the grouping action. The manipulative children use influences their understanding of mathematics and impacts the way they perform mathematical tasks now and in the future. Please join us next Tuesday when we will use the two manipulatives to count to 100, a task that will involve many place value exchanges. See you then.